In this video, I'll show you how to set up your first landing pages and how to A/B test them in just minutes. What we want to create here is an opt-in funnel where people will opt in on the first page, then they are sent to the confirmation page to ask them to verify their email address, and from the email they are sent to the download page. So these are 3 pages that we want to create on the website and that we want to make landing pages for. And then we'll set up an A/B test on the first page to convert as many visitors as possible into leads. So here I'm in the WordPress dashboard, and what we want to do is create a new page. So let's go to Pages, Add New. From here we'll create our opt-in page. Save it as a draft. And I'll immediately also create the confirmation page and the download page. So Pages, Add New. This would be the confirmation page. Save this as a draft. And let's add a third page, our download page. So let's go to our opt-in page. Immediately from here, I can click on the Edit with Thrive Architect, or I can open this page. And then from here, launch Thrive Architect. Now you could either start to create your landing page from scratch and drag elements on this page, or you can use one of the landing page templates. To do so, go to Page Setup. From here, choose a landing page template. And here you can see that we have different sets. There are a whole bunch of sets that are available within the plugin. And when you expand one of these sets, you can see that you have different lead generation forms, that you have a confirmation page, that you have a download page. And that's exactly what we want to use now. Now, the big advantage of these sets is that you will be able to have a consistent look and feel all throughout your funnel. So let's go ahead, let's pick this 2-step lead generation page and load it. Now you can see that your blank WordPress page has been replaced by this landing page template, and that you'll be able to start customizing everything. Now this template is really cool because you can actually also customize this ebook because everything has been made in Thrive Architect. So this is how you can simply click on it and change this to be your brand name. And here you can switch out colors and the text, and everything you want is customizable on this page. Once you're happy with the customizations that you made on this page, just save it, and then we'll do the same for the confirmation page and for the download page. So let's go back into our pages. And here I'll edit with Thrive Architect the confirmation page. Now on this confirmation page we can do exactly the same. Go to our page setup, choose a landing page template, and from within the bright set we can choose the confirmation page. Let's save this. And let's do the same for the download page. In the same set, let's pick our download page. Now on this download page, when you click on this button, you can see that there's a link in here, and that is where you would put the URL of your PDF. So once you've done that, click Save. And now you'll want to publish the confirmation page and the download page so that you can link all the different pages together. So let's go back to our WordPress dashboard, go into our pages, and from here you can go into the quick edit, and then let's set this to published and update. And let's do the same for our confirmation page, published. And now let's connect our opt-in page with our confirmation page. So go to our opt-in page, and here this is a 2-step lead generation page, which means that when somebody clicks on this button, it will show an opt-in form. In order to change that opt-in form and to connect it to your email service, You'll click on the button and you can see in your animations and actions panel that this will open a lightbox. From here, go to Edit Lightbox. This will open a new tab with the lightbox inside, and now you can customize this and click on the lead generation element. From here, you can connect this form to service. If you already have an email service connected to your website, it will show up here. But if you haven't done this yet, you can add a new API connection once you click on it. This will send you in the Thrive Teams dashboard in the API connections, and here you will be able to add a new connection. Now we have tutorials on how to set up every connection possible, so if you need help with that, you can find it in the knowledge base. Now let's go back to our lightbox, choose our email service. You'll probably only have one here. Continue. And then from here you can choose whether or not you want to ask for a first name and if you want to ask for a phone number. So in our case, we want to ask for the email and the first name. And then after somebody signs up, we want to be able to redirect them to our confirmation page. So from here, click redirect to custom URL and we can search for our page. And this is our confirmation page. So let's save this. Now, if you want to customize this even further, if you want, for example, to change the color of the button or the text on this button, you can go to Edit Form Elements, and then you'll be able to click on every element and customize this to your liking. Once you're done, click on Save and Close. Now let's make sure we save this. And now the last thing we'll have to do is publish our opt-in page. So in our Pages menu, in our opt-in, we can go to Quick Edit and from here, publish this page. Now that's it. Your lead generation landing page is now ready. Your lead generation funnel is now ready because people will be sent to the confirmation page, and then in the confirmation email, you can send people to your download page. And as you can see, this is a two-step. So here we have our opt-in form that shows and everything is connected. Now let's go one step further and let's set up an A/B test on this landing page. Now let's go back to our opt-in page and to the Thrive Architect. And here you can see that we have something that's called create a new A/B test. Now make sure that you have Thrive Optimize installed. If not, you will not see this button. Click on the create new A/B test. Now we can either clone this page or we can add a complete new variation. In this case, let's clone the page. Then we can edit this variation. This will allow you to change this headline, for example. Save this variation. And now go back to our Thrive Optimize menu. So click on the green button again. And then from here, you can see the setup and start A/B test. Let's give it a name. You can enable the automatic winner settings, which will allow you to never look at this test again and to have Thrive Optimize simply decide when a page is a winner, so you don't have to worry about it anymore. And in this case, this would be a subscription goal. So let's start the A/B test. And that's it. You now have your list building funnel with A/B tests running. And as you can see, it only took us a few minutes. You can create as many of these as you like with Thrive Architect and with Thrive Optimize. So now it's your turn. Make that first landing page and start growing your online business.